Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss about the 18th of March 2023 the IELTS exam prediction. Okay, so ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੁਣ एग्जाम ਆਊਗਾ ਇਹ quite easy ਹੋਊਗਾ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ already ਤਿਆਰੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ easily crack ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। So first module is listening. Listening would be very easy. Okay, the section 1 is one term substitution which is quite easy. Okay, one word ਹੋਣਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ easily ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। Section 2nd and 3rd जो आऊगा वो short plus long MCQs. Okay, and your fourth section होगा one word blank but थोड़ा fast होगा. Okay, तो try करिए understand करने दी but only one word. Okay, let's move to the writing section. Writing section would be very easy for you. The task 1 is combination of pie and map, and task 2 is about double question essay, opinion based essay, and to what extent do you agree or disagree. Okay, so this is about the writing जो कि बहुत ही easy होगी। combination किस चीज़ होगा map and pie दा, and the task 2 है double question essay, opinion based essay, plus to what extent do you agree or disagree. Okay, so let's move to the reading. Reading होगी अपन moderate। ये passage first होगा उनके विच होगा अपन heading plus blanks। passage the second होगा which paragraph contain following information plus claiming authorized view. Okay, plus blanks. Okay, so this is about the passage 2, and the last passage it would be around MCQs, yes or not given, and summary. So this is the whole video about the 18th of March 2023 IELTS exam prediction. Okay, इसमें किसी भी regarding problem आती है listening, writing and reading ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ। we'll provide you the tips and tricks to how to crack the IELTS. Okay, so best of luck for your exam. I hope ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੋਗੀ। If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your near and dear ones. Well, thank you so much. ਮਿਲਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ next video ਵਿੱਚ।
Listen.